Today, we're checking out the Form Lighting LED side markers with clear lenses for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. If you're looking to elevate the lighting performance and the style of your Mustang with this slick, modern LED technology, then these are a top-tier upgrade that are definitely worth checking out. These side markers combine refined aesthetics with enhanced visibility, featuring a crystal clear lens and a bright, clean LED illumination. They outshine those stock amber bulbs, not just in brightness, but in precision and aesthetics. The advanced LED lights up faster and more uniformly, offering improved reaction time and a sharper reflection at night or during bad weather conditions. The clear lenses give a minimalist, fresh appearance that pairs perfectly with the factory style, whether you're going for a stealthy or subtle. Also, the integration maintains street legal signaling, ensuring safety doesn't take a backseat to the style. The installation is going to be seamless, and these units plug into the existing harness, offering a flawless fit without the need for any wiring or modifications. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. These are built with robust ABS housings, and they're optically have a clear polycarbonate lens, and these markers are made to endure road wear, resisting yellowing, hazing, and cracking over time like stock lenses tend to do. The LED modules are securely sealed and mounted for constant performance through bumps, vibrations, and daily driving use. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that low $100 price range. That puts them in a sweet spot for improving the lighting aesthetic that delivers both crisp and clarity while having factory level integration, all at a very affordable price. All right, the installation on this is rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed and done in just 1 hour of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a plastic pry tool. Today we're installing side markers on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to remove our side markers, we're just going to grab a plastic pry tool. We're going to get right in at the top to pop that clip out, and then we can just lift up, disconnect our connector, and remove it. So just get in there, pop it out, and then we're going to press in on the tab on that connector and disconnect it. And once you have one out, you can do that exact same thing for the other 3. So now we're ready to install our new side marker. Now you're going to want to pick the one that'll fit in that gap, and then we've also got a yellow and a red. The red's going to be the one for the rear, and the yellow is going to be for the front. So we'll put this one to the side. We'll take our connector, plug it in, and then we've got this little hook that we need to put into the bottom first, and then we'll just push the top into place. Do that same thing for your other 3 side markers. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Form Lighting LED side marker lights in clear for your 2024 and newer Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.